Hello, welcome to another episode of Tony's Technical Corner, where today we will be reviewing and demonstrating how to install our photonic antenna and recess accessory mount. For demonstration purposes today, we'll be installing in a standard 2x2 acoustic ceiling tile. Before we get started, a couple of pieces of information to note on our hardware. On each photonic antenna, you'll notice on the back side a cutout for the RJ45 cable connection. Opposite of this, you will notice two small ridges on each, along with on each side a small dimple as such. Corresponding to the accessory, you'll notice cutout for the RJ45 cable connection, opposite of which the two raised ridges and the dimples on the side. So we'll go ahead and put the recess accessory together here now, and you'll notice that each will come with two sets of ears and the corresponding screws and hardware. So when assembled, each ear will go on the sides as such. They will open, go through the ceiling tile that will cut a hole in here shortly, and then rest back down on the back side of the tile, holding everything in place. And you'll notice that when you place the antenna into the surface accessory, very clean, flush appearance, very aesthetically pleasing, as well as the ridges fit into the cutout there, as well as the cutout for the RJ45, locking everything in place, keeping it secure. Now we'll go ahead and get the ears mounted on here. And you'll notice when you mount the ears on, just go ahead and snug them up gently. No need to over tighten. Sometimes it can be a bit of a balancing act, but it becomes second nature. As I spoke too soon. All right. So, with the ears now in place, we can go ahead and get started on our tile. So you'll notice I have this standard 2x2 acoustic ceiling tile. I have taken the liberty to just pre-mark our center location. So as you can see there, just 12 inches on center. So with that marked, we can then take our hole saw, and you'll notice along with the instructions, it does call for a 3.4 inch hole to be cut. So I just have a 3.5 inch or 3.5 inch hole saw here to make the cut for us. So what I'll do is get that centered in place. Doesn't take much. Go ahead and get that started. Wipe our dust clean there. A clean viewing surface for everybody's viewing pleasure. And now you'll notice that when we fold our ears up as such, hold them open, and we can simply pass through the tile as such. That rests firmly as it is now seated against the back of the tile, held in place by the ears. Again, this has been a demonstration of our recess surface accessory and photonic antenna. Thank you again for joining us on today's episode of Tony's Technical Corner. Thank you.